Hello children, now we are going to start with a new topic, that is picture composition. This is also a part of English 1. Now this picture composition is not given in your English grammar books. It is given in your English reader book. You can take out your reader books, take out page number 41. On page 41 this picture is given. Okay, this picture is given on page number 41. Now, all of you can observe this picture. You can see this picture, that this picture is of a park. Yes, this picture is of a park. But before we tell that what all things we can see in this park or what do you see in this picture, I want to tell you that what is the meaning of picture composition. Children, picture composition is a visual representation of something like a scene, a photograph, a painting, etc. Understood? Picture composition is a visual representation, means what you can see in that picture. What you can see in that picture. It is a visual representation of something. Now you can see the scene of a park over here. So it is a visual representation of the scene of a park. It is a visual representation of the scene of a park. So whatever you see, whatever you observe in that picture, and when you write all those things about that picture, you use your ideas, you use your views about that picture. What are your views or ideas about that picture? When you write about that picture, expressing your views and ideas, that is called picture composition. That is called picture composition. Now children, in order to write an effective picture composition, like if you are observing a picture and you want to write something good about that picture, what is the basic need? What is the most important thing you should possess? The thing is that you should be able to understand the topic, that what you are able to see in the picture, what you are seeing in the picture. Once you understand the topic, you will be able to express your views on that topic. What I told, that once you will be able to understand that topic, means whatever things you can see in the picture, you are able to understand what you are able to see in the picture, you are able to understand that. Obviously, if you understand, you will be able to write your views or thoughts about that picture. Now, one more important thing I want to tell you, children. Like when you write about the picture, it is very important that you check your composition for spelling mistakes, punctuation marks like full stops, comma, capital letters, like where full stops will come, where commas will come, where where capital letters have to be used and where not. All these things you should take care of while writing about the picture. Moreover, when you write about the picture, you should make sure that you write the sentences correctly. I mean to say that those sentences should have some meaning. They should express some meaning. They should be meaningful. And when you write about that picture, one more important thing is that the introduction part as well as the conclusion part, both should be very impressive. Both should be very impressive. So what you have to do is that you have to observe the picture very carefully, you have to analyze it very carefully, and then only you have to write about that picture. I hope children you have understood what is the meaning of picture composition. Now look at this picture. What do you observe in this picture? What do you observe in this picture? You have taken out your books. What do you observe in this picture? You can see the children are enjoying in the park. These two children are playing with the ducks. The ducks are swimming in the pond. There are trees in the park. There is greenery all around. The flowers in the park are so beautiful. The squirrel is climbing up the tree. The birds are flying in the sky. So there are so many things which you observe in this picture. So after observing, you have to write it in your own words. So this is called picture composition. Now this picture is given on page number 41 of your reader books. So take out your English 1 copies. I will make you write 5 sentences about this picture in your copies. Take out a new page of your English 1 copies. Write the date on the left side of the margin. Write picture composition on the first line. Then write page 41. I have written over here English 1 so that you come to know that this is the part of English 1 and you have to write in English 1 copies only. Then let's start writing with the question. Look at the picture and write few sentences about the picture. So let's see what you all can see in this picture, what you all observed in this picture. You can see the picture side by side, children. As I'm going to read the sentences about the picture. So you can observe that whatever I speak, whatever I read, that is just related to that picture. So number 1 is the children are in the park. Number 2, the birds are flying in the sky. Full stop. Number 3, the ducks are swimming in the pond. Full stop. Number 4, the squirrel is climbing up the tree. Full stop. Number 5, there are beautiful flowers in the park. So these 5 sentences I have written. You have to write it in your copies, in your English 1 copies. So this was all there regarding this picture composition. Now children, we will do another picture composition which is on page number 59 of your English reader books. So take out page number 59. You can see another picture is over here. What can you observe in this picture? You can see that the baby is sitting in a pram. The baby is playing with the toy. The man is pushing the pram. The lady is sitting on the bench and reading the newspaper. The children are sailing in the boat. There is greenery all around. There are beautiful flowers in the park. So all these things you can observe. So these things only you have to write it in your own sentences. Now children, you take out another page. Write the date on the left side of the margin. You write picture composition on the first line. Then write page 59. Then again write the question, look at the picture and write few sentences about it. Then I am going to read the sentences. You just observe the picture and just think over it that whether these are right or wrong. Obviously these are right. Number 1, the woman is reading the newspaper. Can you see that? The woman is reading the newspaper in the picture. Yes. Number 2, the man is pushing the pram. Is it correct? Yes, the man is pushing the pram. Number 3, the baby is sitting in the pram. Yes. Number 4, the children are sitting in the boat. Are the children sitting in the boat? Yes. Then number 5, the flowers in the park are very pretty. Can you see the flowers in the park? Yes, they look very pretty. So these 5 sentences I have written about this picture. So you have to write these sentences in your English 1 copies. So children, this was all there regarding the picture composition. But one thing I want to tell you that in exams, it is not necessary that these only pictures will be given in the question paper. You can be given any picture. What you have to do is you have to think carefully about that picture. You have to observe that picture. Think carefully about that picture. And whatever is asked, then you write about that picture. Understood? What you have to do is, number 1, you have to observe it very carefully. Then you think over it, what sentences you can write about that picture. Then you write those sentences. After writing, check that if any grammatical mistakes, your punctuation marks or your spelling mistakes are there, then do correct them. After writing the sentences, just make sure that the sentences are written correctly and they have a proper meaning. So I hope you all have understood what is the meaning of picture composition. Now children, the next thing is that I have given you a test last week of the lesson, the verb and the adjective. So I will give you a revision test in the next video. Thank you.